Just give you a background of my camper build. I decided 2-3 years ago that I wanted to build a camper. So when I retired from where I work, which is Honda in Swindon, I would travel around the world with my partner. Gloria is Chinese. She originally is from Hong Kong, and our goal is to travel from here through the various countries and end up in Hong Kong. We then decide where we're going to go from there. This camper build it's not a 50 or 60,000 pound camper build. I don't pay anybody to do the work on it. I bought the lorry myself. I've never done anything like this before. I have no special skills. I'm just a DIYer. I've done all the work on the lorry myself, and I'm doing all the work on the camper myself. For me to save money, I've been on car boot sales, been on Facebook Marketplace. We pick up things when we can, as cheap as we possibly can. As I said, I don't have a budget for this. It's whatever we can afford at the time. I'm not going to pretend it's going to have a professional finish. That's not what I was aiming for. I was aiming for something that I've done that suits me. Yes, you could pay 50 or 60,000 pound. There's a lot of campers out there that are worth a lot more than that. I'm just being honest. It's what I built. If you want to build one out there, it's within everybody's capability. The web is filled with lots of people who have vast knowledge of these things. Just pick their brains. That's all I've done. My truck is a Leyland DAF T244. I've joined the forum for that on Facebook. They are a great bunch of guys that give you all the information you need. There's no snobbery about it. I just thought this give you an insight into what I've done. And good luck. If you want to do it, just do it. My only advice is, I'm nearly 60, is do it a bit sooner if you want to do it. It gets very hard work at 60, I can assure you. Take care. Speak to you again.